Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick paper piecing from my Thunder Mountain page kit number 110. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This is going to be pretty easy. There's only 4 pieces, as you can see. Great beginner kit. If you haven't done too much paper piecing before, I highly recommend this one. It's not going to have too many difficult pieces. Like some of my other kits have a lot of detail in them. So let's go ahead and get started. We're just going to glue this right on top of here. I'm going to use my Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear with the metal tip. I'm going to place glue on the back of this piece. And I highly recommend always check, make sure you have your pieces right side up before you start gluing. You don't want to accidentally put glue on the wrong side. This glue dries quickly, so that's why I'm trying to go fast here. Okay. I'm just going to line it up. Slide it into place. Make sure it's lined up on all the edges. And then press it down. Okay, now this one's going to go on top here, and it's going to have a slight little border around it, so it's not going to line up with the edge like the other one. It's going to look just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the top one on first. Looking at the edges, making sure it's even all the way around on the outside edge. I'm going to use my pin just to pick up some of that excess glue here. Okay, give you a quick look. Okay, let's go ahead and glue the bottom piece down. All done. Again, this is a definite great kit for beginners, or if you're experienced and just want an easy kit to put together and not have to do too much thinking and not take a lot of time. This is a great kit to pick up as well. This will be from the Thunder Mountain Page Kit number 110, and you will find the link below in the description where to pick up this kit. If you don't see it, please message me. I'll let you know when it will be in stock. You'll find lots of other fun page kits and album kits on my Etsy shop as well. Please feel free to look around and favorite my shop as well. I would love that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.